last month I decided that I want to make my own game. Hello, I am George and I decided that I want to make my own game. Yep. I told myself that I want to make something that I already worked on before, and that was a video game. I had my project during college. I was making a game which is actually super similar to what you're gonna see now. I accumulated much more knowledge since the last project, so I started making videos from the progress. Throughout the month I made total of 9 videos, which all are public on the YouTube page, so you can check it now, where I documented all of my progress that I made during the month. Don't get me wrong, the game is far from done and I'm gonna definitely spend a lot more time on it. I have so far only the basic movement and some of the animations, but I think for a platformer it's super important to have a solid movement that feels great for the player, and if player doesn't enjoy the movement, I don't think you can have a very successful game. And when I got to a point where I was super satisfied with the feeling of the movement and how it works and everything that involved moving around and jumping from one wall to another and catching another wall, I built the game for a web browser, so everybody who had the link could play the game. So I asked in one of my Discord channel from my World of Warcraft guildies, and I asked them for the feedback, and here are some of the messages that I got. I was super surprised from the messages. If I read the first words from the feedback, this feels pretty smooth. From Keel, from Sikopek, pretty smooth indeed. From Raiden, very nice. Also from Lota, does feel smooth, reminds me of Hollow Knight, which was super nice. I was aiming for that because Hollow Knight is a great game. All the guildies are god gamers, they're playing 17-year-old game, so I respect their opinions. I also have to mention that Riddy put clap on my post. I also asked for some feedback on Game Dev Underground channel and the Blackthorn Prod Discord. In that brief period of time, a lovely gentleman called Endeavor gave me his feedback, which I'm also super glad for. And some of the criticism that was similar throughout the feedback messages was that the jump was on the W key instead of arrow up key, which I totally understand. I was planning to do so, to put it somewhere else and let the W with the S key be only for climbing. Also, my cousin told me that he didn't like how the main character gets stuck on the wall. I'm gonna address all the problems that you guys mentioned, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy it more in the future. If I have to tell opinion of my own, I think the movement is super smooth. I'm super glad how it turned out, and the movement is totally better than the project that I tried to do before. And hopefully the motivation doesn't fade out in the future, and I'm gonna keep making videos and keep adding features to the game, and maybe in the future it's gonna be a fully fledged game. Let's see. If you want to try the movement on your own, I'm gonna put a link down below so you can open it in your browser and try it. If you want to give me any feedback regarding the game, you can also do that in the comments down below or on the post that I made on Unity. And if you want to tell me that you liked the video, don't forget to press the like, or if you didn't like the video, you can press the dislike. And if you want to see more videos from me in the future, you should press the subscribe/bell button. And I'm gonna see you next time. Bye!